Introduction to Quotations. Next, let's look at the quotation section. This works very similarly to the invoice page, but it's designed for sending estimates to your customers before a sale is finalized. Creating a new quotation. To start, navigate to the Create Quotation page. Just like with an invoice, you can add items manually or select them from your product list on the left. Once you've added the items and adjusted the quantities, simply click the Save Quotation button to generate the quotation. Managing all quotations. All your saved estimates can be found in the All Quotations page. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of every quote you've sent out, helping you stay organized and follow up with potential clients. View, edit, and share quotations. On the All Quotations list, you have 4 powerful options. View. Click this to review the quotation details and professional layout. Edit. If a customer asks for a price change or more items, you can quickly edit the existing quotation and update it instantly. Download. You can download the quotation as PDF. Share via WhatsApp. Finally, you can send the quotation directly to your customer's WhatsApp with a single click. They'll receive a link to view it immediately, making the approval process much faster. Managing your leads and estimates through the quotation page is a great way to look professional and keep your sales pipeline moving.